Welcome to this Copado Robotic Testing demo. Let's start with a familiar site. This is our Salesforce instance before one of those infamous UI updates. I'll head right into Service Cloud so you can see how the interface looks today. Pretty standard, right? And here's the Opportunity UI. I think we've all gotten quite familiar with this. Now, let's jump into our test case. We are creating a new case for an existing account. This is a common workflow, and we've already automated it using Copado Robotic Testing. I'm running the test now, and as you can see, the robot is executing the steps just like a real user. It finds the right account, fills in the case details, and hits submit. Done. No surprises here. But what happens when Salesforce decides to shake things up? Say hello to Salesforce Cosmos, their new Lightning UI refresh. Yep, I think you've all seen this. This is real, and this will be painful if you're a tester not using Copado Robotic Testing. Let's look around. Here is Service Cloud. You can already tell the layout, the spacing, even the component hierarchy, it's all changed. For most test automation tools, this is a maintenance nightmare. But here's the twist. We are going to run the exact same test case. No changes, no tweaks, no self-healing gimmicks. Just click run and watch. Even though the DOM structure under the hood has completely changed, Copado Robotic Testing doesn't care. Why? Because it does not rely on fragile XPaths or CSS selectors. Instead, robotic testing targets human visible labels and Salesforce-specific UI patterns. That makes it resilient by design, not by accident. No breakages, no firefighting, no wasted hours on test maintenance. And you can see the test succeeded. This is why Copado Robotic Testing is the only test automation solution built for Salesforce, not just compatible with it. It's low maintenance and high confidence. So here's the real question. Would your current test automation solution survive a change like this without breaking? If not, maybe it's time for something that's actually built to last.